Welcome to our channel. Today we how to design customer journey funnels, beginner guide step by step clearly.
Begin by understanding what a customer journey funnel is.
Recognize that it maps the stages a customer goes through before making a purchase. Identify the key stages: awareness, consideration, decision, and loyalty. Start with the awareness stage. Determine how potential customers first discover your brand.
Use methods like social media, email campaigns, or SEO to attract attention. Next, move to the consideration stage. Here, customers evaluate their options.
Provide valuable content such as blog posts or product comparisons. Now, focus on the decision stage. This is where customers choose whether to purchase. Offer clear calls to action and showcase your product's benefits. After the decision stage, look at customer loyalty. Maintain engagement through follow-ups and personalized offers.
Create a visual representation of your funnel. A diagram can help clarify each stage for better understanding.
Gather data on customer interactions at each stage.
Use analytics tools to track behavior and identify drop-off points. Refine your funnel based on this data.
Adjust your strategies to improve conversion rates. Test different approaches regularly, such as A/B testing. This will help you understand what resonates with your audience. Encourage feedback from customers to further enhance their journey. Incorporate the insights you gather to create a seamless experience.
Always remember that the customer journey is not linear. Customers may return to previous stages or skip steps entirely. Adapt your funnel to accommodate these different paths.
Keep iterating on your design for continuous improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.